In this video, I'll show you how to create a SWOT analysis with Claude AI. This is a simple way to evaluate strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats for a business or idea. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to create a SWOT analysis. For example, I might type, "Create a SWOT analysis for a small online clothing business." After typing the prompt, I'll click the send button. Claude will generate a SWOT analysis, usually organized into 4 sections: strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. If I want a more detailed analysis, I can include more information in my prompt, such as the industry, target market, or goals. For example, I might type, "Create a SWOT analysis for a startup coffee shop targeting young professionals." Claude can also help expand each section with detailed explanations or strategic recommendations. Once the SWOT analysis is ready, I can copy or download the content and use it for planning or decision-making. And that's it, I've successfully created a SWOT analysis using Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.